Yeah, this is really so cute actually. So I can create this one like this. I get idea from you. This is also we can create like this is the mouth, this is the nose, this is the eyes. Okay, you can create like this here the character like this. I can create this is chest. You are draw like this, right? This chest. So I can create the hand like Mona. You can see the Mona movie. This is they create this the tattoo on a hand. So you can make some tattoo like this. Okay, and here you can make some like this. Okay, so you can create the another hand like this. Like here also tattoo. So Maui, the character Maui, if you see this there, uh,
Yes, sir. We have so many tattoos.
yeah, it's a tattoo's full body, and it looks something different. Yeah, tattoo is a very famous, not India, but out of India, it's so famous of Africa, America, and the states are, uh, especially the tribal peoples are using, you know, like Maui. That's one of tribal animation movie. So they are using the tattoo like this. You can put some tattoo like the legs, animals stump like this. So you can make it like character. So today actually I don't have time much. So can in this character you are finished next day. So,
Yeah.
okay, yeah, because it's almost 3 o'clock. It's uh, yeah, so you can finish it off. Just I make
Sir, we can also do this next class. The character.
yeah, it's energetic. No? It's something new, right? Isn't it?
It's fun.
It's a really fun. You love to do caricature. I see. That's also fun, and this is also fun. No, creating character with the basic shape. Like this is the basic shape.
Yeah, sir. It's fun.
This is very fun and creative, right? It is creative also. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Bye bye.